Welcome to the day 4 of the hymn session, Countdown Fount of Every Blessing. In this final lesson, we will add the pedals to complete the hymn. Let's start with the first phrase. The pedal notes are 1, 5, 4, 1 or C, G, F, C. Yeah. When you play the pedals, it's ideal to put your feet before you start. So I would put left foot on C and right foot on G. And right heel falls very nicely to F. So I can do 1, 5, 4, 1. Yeah. C, G, F, C. Also, it's a good idea to practice the feet with the left hand first, because in this arrangement the rhythm of the feet and the left hand are the same. One, chord 5, chord 4, chord 1. And then we can add the right hand. Here are the first 2 phrases of this hymn. Now, we're moving to the third phrase. I need to play it in A. So, ideally, you should try to avoid looking at the pedal board to find the note. So, you remember, if your right toe is already on G, all you need to do is to move 1 step up. And also, when you are moving your foot on the pedal board, it's ideal to move on the surface, so you can feel how many notes you've moved up. Move up. This phrase is actually quite challenging because it requires you to move your right foot up by 1 note and then move down by 2. So another way to confirm it is right F is to use this reference black key, that's F sharp. The first note below this one is the F note. So, feel it. Once you have learned this phrase, you would be able to play the whole hymn now, because the last phrase is the same as the previous one. So here's the full performance. Thank you very much for watching.